Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, welcome to Linux command line for beginners series. Today we are going to learn about the netstat command. The netstat command in Linux is used to display network connections, routing tables, interface statistics, masquerade connection, and multicast membership. It provides a snapshot of network activity on the system, and the basic syntax for it is netstat. Options. To display listening ports, I'm going to use the command netstat -i. This is going to display only sockets that are in the listening state. Let me clear my terminal. To show all active network connection, I'm going to use the command netstat without any argument. This is going to show all active network connection. So I'm just going to give it some time. It will come up. All the active connection will come up. Here is all the network active connection. Let me clear my terminal. To show listening ports and associated programs, I'm going to use the command netstat -lp. This command will show listening ports and associated programs, and it will add the program name and PID to the output, which is shown in this place. I'll clear my terminal. To view routing tables, I'm going to use the command netstat -r. This command will print the kernel routing table. Let me clear my terminal. To monitor network connections continuously, I'm going to use the command netstat -c and hit enter. This command is going to continuously update the network connection in real time. Let me clear my terminal. C. To show multicast group membership, I'm going to use the command netstat -culn and hit enter. This command will display multicast group membership. So we can use netstat command with other options or parameters like netstat-t, which shows only TCP connection, netstat-u, which show only UDP connection, netstat-i, which shows only listening ports, netstat-n, which show numerical address. For us to know more about the netstat command, we are going to use the man page. The man page starts from manual page, then type your command netstat. This is going to display details and description on how we can use the netstat command, and it's going to show us the arguments that we can use. Ctrl Q to exit. Clear my screen. The ss command is the modern replacement for netstat and is included in most Linux distributions by default. In order to list all connections using the ss command, I'm going to type ss-a. This command display all connections. To show connection with program, you can use the ss command -p to display the connection with programs. Like I told you, the ss command replace the netstat command, and it is in your machine by default. To show listening sockets using the ss command, we're going to type ss-l. This command displays listening sockets. To display TCP connection, I'm going to use the command ss-c. On modern system, you may need to install the net2 package to use the netstat, and you can do that by typing sudo apt install net2s. This is how we can install net2s package. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, subscribe and share. See you on the next video.